Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to connect Stripe to Claude AI. First, you need to enter to the add files, connectors and more. In this area you need to go to the connectors and here to the add connector. In this search bar you are going to search for Stripe and you have the first option. Here, as you can see, this is a Stripe official connector. You are going to click on the connect button, and here the Claude AI will redirect us to the Stripe official page. You just need to enter your credentials and click on sign in, or if you want, you can sign in with Google Passkey or SSO. Once you enter to your account, you just need to grant the permissions, and then you have already connected your Stripe account to Claude AI.